I think got a Hemi.
When you say Dodge, automatically you think the Hemi engine. And Stellantis has been going away and pretty much killing all the Hemi power engines on everything. The Charger, the truck. But it might just live on. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Javi here. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to smash that thumbs up and the subscribe button for your boy. We are almost at 15,000 subscribers. So, did Stellantis just confirm the V8 Hemi is not dead? Well, we're going to cover it all here. What is going on, guys? And SEMA is just around the corner next week. And there's a lot of companies that are going to take amazing vehicles, including this bad mama jama 2500 Ram truck, which has all the works. The Liberty, it is amazing. The front end, the grille. This is the heavy duty Power Wagon concept. It just has all the works. But the powertrain for this engine is the V8 6.4 Hemi. So, as of now, we believe that the Hemi will live on the pickup, the heavy-duty pickups. So, let's get into the article. Motor Trend, Car and Scoop has been covering it, and we're going to get into the article. Hemi power is used to define the Dodge brand. When you say Dodge, Hemi is there. But while the engine family continues to live on in a handful of models like the Durango and the not so final 392 Wrangler, when they said the 392 Wrangler was the final edition and it turned out not to be, well, the Hemi is still on those engines. But however, one of the versions of the popular powertrain might be sticking around, and that remains to see. But Stellantis may have dropped a pretty big hint that in the particular Power Wagon 2500 concept has the 6.4 liter V8 Hemi. While it's technically a concept, the truck is based on a facelift heavy duty pickup and previews the product's model while debuting later this year. Ram hasn't said much about it, but the initial focus has largely centered on the improved Cummins turbo diesel engine, which that's something that they definitely did. Now, however, the concept does have the 6.4 liter Hemi V8, and the powertrain will be continued to be offered in the facelift pickups. In the current model, it produces 410 horsepower and 429 torque. Only time will tell if the rumors suggest that the Hemi is coming back, and if it's coming back on the Power Wagon or in the Hemi or in the facelift pickups only. Now, for some reason, apparently the rumor is that Stellantis and these companies are being forced to do this kind of changes, meaning pretty much kill the Hemi. And a lot of the enthusiasts and the fans, we've covered it all over this channel, how they don't like the idea. They pretty much hate it. And now Stellantis or Dodge is offering the Charger Daytona as an EV and the Hurricane V6 twin turbo engine, which is an amazing engine, but people still want the Hemi. In my personal opinion, I think the new Charger Daytona, bringing and having it and having that name and the pedigree and the history that the Daytona name has behind the Dodge and just on everything from NASCAR and everything else, I think they should have offered an EV option, a Hemi option, and a Hurricane Inline 6 option. Now, do I think sales are probably going to tank on the Daytona? If you ask me, I think so. I don't think there's going to be as much sales as you would probably think so. Now, there is another incentive that Dodge is throwing on top of the Daytona, which is an extra $1,000 if you join the EV membership club. And remember that the first models are coming with a certain package that guarantees you a certain amount of track days at a track, and it's just a plethora of things that could come with being the first ones to buy the EV charged Daytona Charger. But then again, being an enthusiast of the brand, which I love, I'm an enthusiast of Chevy, Ford, and Dodge. Anything that's American muscle V8, there's so much history behind it that's what draws me to it. And being an enthusiast and seeing the Hemi die, that's just not, it wasn't even in the question, or it wasn't even in an argument. But apparently, hopefully, the Power Wagon could mean the 2500 Power Wagon Ram could mean that the Hemi is still living on the 6.4 on the heavy duty trucks, being a V8 6.4 liter. Now, when it comes to the street side of it, if it definitely lives on, then you're probably going to start seeing people swapping those things probably into the new Daytona Charger, if that's even doable, or into other vehicles, because people love the Hemi. The Hemi produces power, it has history, it has a pedigree. People love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll definitely read you. I can't wait to read you guys. So the 6.4 liter V8, it's coming in the 2500 Power Wagon. It's going to be debuting at SEMA. Could this mean that it's been confirmed, or is this confirming that the Hemi V8 is not dead? I'll read you guys in the comments. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to smash that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. I am out of here.